Hello. Hello and welcome to the demo of AirCSV. AirCSV is a desktop app that allows you to easily export your Airtable data to CSV files. For example, if you look at my Airtable, I have two bases, users and assets. Using AirCSV, it's possible to export all this data to CSV files. Also, if you notice here, assets is a linked record. So, with AirCSV, you can automatically replace linked record with primary field. What that means is assets is a linked record to the assets base and the primary field in the assets base is name. So when you export the CSV for users table, the assets will not contain IDs that start with REC. Instead, it will contain the text that you see here: Mac laptop, REC key, Mac laptop, etc. Let's continue with the demo of AirCSV and see how easy it is to use. First thing to do is to provide the Airtable access keys. We need API key and application ID to make API request to your Airtable base. Let me click edit. Here, if you don't know how to get API key and application ID, click on show me how. It says we need two keys and they are easy to retrieve. Let's get the first one, which is API key. I'll click on Airtable account and scroll down, and if you scroll down you can see that your API key is here. I'm going to copy it. If you regenerate the API key, the old keys will become useless. So after this demo I'm going to do that. Let me copy this API key, come back to the desktop app and paste it here. Now for the application key, I will go back to the instructions page, and here it says go to airtable.com/API and then select the base that you want to work on. Now your application ID is available in the URL here. It starts with APP, which means application ID. So I'm going to copy it and paste it back here. Once API key and application ID are provided, you can add your bases. Let me click add new base. If you don't remember the names of your bases, then they are here. I have users base and assets base. So I'm going to add users first. Save. It will automatically fetch all the fields that are available in your base. Okay, my primary field is name. I'm going to set that. And assets is a linked record, but I cannot configure it yet, so I have to add assets yet. Assets, save, scroll down and mark that name is my primary. Go back to users base and say for assets that it is a linked record and it points to the assets base. And for the assets base, users is a linked record which points to the users base. That's it. So now we have provided API key, application ID and configured our bases. Next, let me go to export. Here it allows me to fetch data from Airtable. I'm going to click fetch pages. And it says that it fetched 7 rows from the users base and 3 rows from the assets base. Let's verify that. I have 5 rows plus 2 empty rows, so that's 7 rows. And in assets, I have 3 rows, which matches here with 7 and 3. Let me click download file for users. I got users. I'm going to say users 1. This file will contain the linked records as they are, and this file will contain the linked records replaced with the primary fields. I'll name this as users 2. Now let me open both users 1 and users 2 and see what data it has. It's opening it in Excel. This is users 1. It has 7 fields and 2 of them are empty. And the second column, assets, has the linked records, REC, has the linked records which start with REC. Matt has 2 records, REC1 and REC2. Okay, now let's go back to the Finder and open the second file. See, if you notice, the assets field has now been replaced with the actual values, and Matt, which is row number 8, has 2 keys as we expect. Let me close, don't save, close, don't save. So that's it. AirCSV allows you to export your Airtable base, and it allows you to download the original data and also the converted records. In settings page, there is a way to contact us. Do not hesitate to write an email to me if you need any help. This also requires a license. It's possible to set your license here. The instructions to obtain the license will be added to this page. Thank you for watching the video. This is the first version of AirCSV. In the next version, I'm going to add the feature that will allow you to schedule the download of CSV files at regular intervals. If you have any other feature request, please let me know. Thank you.